my name is SHIVANI. I recently completed my graduation in JNDH College of Engineering, Mantini, in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I joined Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of March 2025. I enrolled in Java full stack course. I started my learning journey with Ravensa by SQL classes. Later, I joined in Java sessions by Manjunath sir. There I felt a little bit difficulty in starting, but Manjunath sir helped me in understanding. Then web technologies and React.js was taught by Geeta ma'am. She supported and motivated in my lowest phase. Mock interviews, grooming sessions and also aptitude sessions also helped me to improve my knowledge and put my knowledge. Then I joined in RoboWave's internship as development intern. There I put my practical knowledge and projects. I got placed. Thank you, Jspiders Punjagutta.